Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Yuli's channel. For today, we are going to continue with the experiment with water. The first is walking water experiment. Here you can provide some glasses. You must use the clear glass, yeah, so you can see the difference. If you use 5 glasses, pour the water into 3 of them. And then stir and mix them well. Fold the tissue and connect each glass with that tissue. Wait for minutes to hours. Do you see what happens now? Why do you think it can be happened like that? Water moves from one place to another by the media of tissue. In this case, the tissue is absorbing water from one glass to another. So, in the empty glass, you will see the mixed color. Pour the water onto a bowl like this. And then just put the food color so you can see the difference. Turn on a candle. Cover the candle with a glass or a jar. What happens now? Whoa! The candle is raising up. Why do you think it can be happened? This connects to our previous lesson about the air. Air occupies the space. Actually, inside of the empty glass, there is the air. When the candle is covered by the glass, there is no oxygen, so it dies out. The water replaces the position of the air inside of the candle and push the candle up. Pour the water into a glass of jar like this. After that, put the coloring food. Stir it. It mixes well because the kind of liquid of the coloring food mix well with the water. Now pour the oil into the jar. Shake it. Now observe. Why do you think it can be happened? Oil will be on the top because it has the lower density than water. Move the water into the plastic like this. And then you clip it well. Make sure that it will not spill out, yeah? After that, stab it with the pencils. Just tap on several places that you like. Now, take the pencils. You see that the water spouts to all directions. Draw a rainbow on the tissue paper like this. And then color it. Put it on a plate like this. Pour some water. Now, see what happens. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? This happens because the color mixes with the water and absorbed by the tissue. So the second tissue also has the same color as the first layer. Put the ice cube like this on the plate and then pour some cold water on it. See what happens. Now my question is, why do you think it can be happened? A cold glass of water and then freeze the strawberry. Put the frozen strawberry into that glass of cold water. See what happens now. Why do you think it can be like that? Make some pictures with the marker ink. Draw it on a plate like this. After that, pour the water on it. Oh, the pictures are moving now. Just looks like the animals in the ocean. Why do you think it can be happened? Make some holes with the nail into the bottle. After that, fill in the bottle with water. Now, open and close the cap. Why do you think it can be like that? Draw a picture on the paper and color it. Put the picture with the paper into the plastic and then copy it exactly with the same position. Now put it into the water and then you try to pull it up. Why do you think it can be happened?